Another day, another helpful video. What's up guys? Welcome back to How to Do Phones. How to add background sounds when listening on iPhone. Before we start, make sure to click subscribe and hit the bell button to see our newest videos. Go to settings and tap accessibility. Tap audio visual. Tap background sounds, then turn on background sounds. Set any of the following sounds. Choose a sound. The audio file downloads to your phone. Volume, drag the slider. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. See you on our next video.